summertime, and who doesn't desire ice cream? So let's make a sugar-free and guilt-free ice cream. This recipe will yield 2 big scoops of ice cream. To start with, you need 1 big ripe banana. You can make it 2 if you have medium-sized bananas. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 bowl of milk. You can use any dairy-free option as well. Nuts of your choice. I am using sliced almonds. And 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder. This is totally optional if you don't like the flavor of coffee. Next, peel the banana and cut into medium-sized pieces. Put these pieces in a Ziploc bag and we will freeze them for 24 hours. That's our frozen bananas after 1 day. Next, take a blender, add the frozen bananas, add the dry fruits, coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We'll add milk little by little as we blend this, and now we'll blend it. That's how the mixture is going to look when it's ready. At this time, we will remove it and place it in a dish to freeze. Now we will place it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours, and then this is ready to scoop out and enjoy. Remove your ice cream from the freezer and let's scoop it out.